a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air. And now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me, yeah. I knew it when I met you, I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you, I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I wanna see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me, yeah. I knew it when I met you, I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you, I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me.
Hello guys, technician. Ito po yung ating project. Natatapos ko lang po na ginawa. Ito yung tinatawag PLC with primary and standby redundancy. And ang purpose po nito is ito po yung pinaka-primary na PLC na magpo-control po sa lahat ng mga device and automation. And when this failed, ay meron po siyang backup. Ito po yung backup ng PLC. So dalawa po sila at nagtutulungan po yan. Kung nag-fail po yung isa, ay papalit po yung isa, then vice versa, nagpapalit po siya. So ito po yung physical appearance niya. Ayan po, yan po yung mga component. Meron po siyang mga safety disconnection switch or miniature circuit breaker. And ito po yung thermostat for ventilation and para po ilabas yung heat na yung heat po na nagsi-circulate dito sa loob para ma-maintain po yung temperature ng PLC dahil kailangan po ito ng cool surroundings para hindi po siya mag-overheat. And as well, ito po yung power supply niya para sa ito po ay 24 volt DC. And ito po ay para dito sa ating mga router switch na galing po na from main PLC or BMS, pupunta po dito at i-distribute po niya sa lahat ng mga i-control niya mga device. Actually, gagamitin po ito sa airport, sa mga transformer for switching, sa mga switch gear. So ayan po, meron din po siyang lighting para sa when you open ay hindi po siya madilim at meron po siyang light. So yan po yung kanyang ventilation or exhaust fan para po ma-maximize po yung cool temperature dito po sa loob ng panel pag ito po ay nasarado. So ito po yung physical appearance ng panel na ito, and this is ready for delivery sa customer. So one day ay i-upload ko po yung video tutorial kung paano po ito i-assembly. So guys, maraming salamat at tutok lang po kayo sa ating channel. Huwag po nating kalimutang mag-subscribe at mag-click sa notification bell para sa mga karagdagang video. At ma-notify po kayo kung meron po akong bagong upload. And huwag din pong kalimutan na i-like, share, and comment. Salamat po and God bless everyone. Have a nice good day.